Okay, so before this video starts, I just want to tell you that I was a stupid idiot and I originally recorded this with slow motion mode on my phone. So I had to fix the audio and speed in editing. So if it's a little bit off, please don't be please don't be confused because I am stupid. Anyways, enjoy the video. Okay, so we are at Sam's Express car wash, and we are about to go through.
Hey, what's going on? Not too bad. So we got here. Yeah, that's all we need.
I'm not pointing to the right because my dad
Left.
does not to the left because my dad does not want to be on YouTube. So pulling up. Oh, we have the wash club, so this is the top wash. They're pre-washing that car.
Don't bother, Luke. What the heck is that?
They got stay neutral. Okay, there's guys brushing. Oh, here we go.
Did they get the plastic? Oh, there it is.
Yeah, this car wash puts plastic on the rear windshield wiper, so if it gets damaged, they can't be sued for it. Anyways, here comes I think it's the pre-soak. It smells good. And here comes the top brush. I don't know. There's the side brushes. Oh, by the way, this is a Bellinger tunnel. See, it's the Bellinger quick fires. Okay, I think we're also getting the tire. And here is, I think that's trifoam. Yep, it's trifoam. And here comes the second top brush. Yeah, it smells good. And I think we're also getting rocker blasters. You're getting rocker blasters, and the rocker blasters actually pivot. So, yeah, we're getting to the dryers now. the spot free rents, I think. I don't know what that is. I think this is the spot free rents. There's our dryers. Oh, we're also getting tire shine. I don't know if you can see it or not, but this is as far as I can zoom. God, it won't focus. Oh, it's flashing green. Okay, so, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my Twitter at ThatEpicDevX. Peace!